welcome back again to my channel. It is a beautiful day out here in Connecticut. Look, it's nice, it's not too hot, it's not freezing cold for sure. The humidity is not high either. It's just a beautiful, 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 beautiful day. All right, so I decided, based on you guys and the messages that you guys leave me about certain kind of spices and things, I decided I'm going to give you guys a little small giveaway to one lucky person. Just one. Of course, there's going to be a challenge for you. I'm going to tell you what the challenge is. But let me show you guys what I'm going to send you, right? This is what I'm going to send. This is nutmeg. Everybody asks me about the nutmeg. This is the one I'm going to put in my porridge and them thing there all the time. So you guys could see it. I'm going to be sending you guys this, right? Also, I'm going to be sending you guys my cinnamon stick. This is a cinnamon stick, the only cinnamon stick what I use in a porridge and them thing there. So I'm going to send you guys this as well. I'm going to be also sending you the bay leaf. Drop it in your porridge. Everybody keep asking me about the spices, where they could find it, but this is going to be one lucky person who's going to get all these spices. Now this right here is a vanilla. I use this when I make banana fritters and them thing there. Even in your porridge you can put this. Even when you bake cake, it is natural banana flavor, vanilla. Okay, so this is what I use. A lot of times I use this, trust me. Even when I make fruit cake, you put it in there, it's really wicked, nice flavor. So I'm sending you guys this. But most of all, it's my allspice. This, you put it in your jerk chicken, your stew chicken, your oxtail, your rice and peas, your curry goat, you name it, you drop this in it. Allspice. So I'm going to be sending all 5 of these to one lucky person. So I'm going to go over and tell you what it's going to take for me to send you guys this. One lucky person, alright? The first thing you got to do is thumbs up this video. Then the next thing you're going to do is you're going to also like the fan page on Facebook. Once you like the fan page on Facebook, I'm going to send you a personal friend request from there. So I will know exactly who entered, right? You're going to also, what else you have to do? Oh yeah, you have to go up on Instagram and like the Instagram page as well. Follow on Instagram. It's very simple. You just like the fan page, follow the Instagram page, and leave me a message. Let me know that you entered, and I will know if you enter or not based on my friend request when we send you. So if you didn't do all of the steps and then you didn't follow the Facebook page, the fan page, me will know because I have to request you. That is the last step. All right, so once I request you on Facebook, then I know that you really did enter. Otherwise you're going to be disqualified. So don't leave me no messages saying that you entered and I didn't send you a friend request. Only the people I'm going to send a friend request to will be entered into this giveaway, and I will decide in 2 weeks who I'm going to send this out to. Alright, so remember, like the fan page, I'll send you a request from there. Also subscribe to the channel and follow on Instagram and so on and so forth, and I'll send this out to you. Alright, so don't forget guys, videos are coming up soon. Bear with me because I have a lot going on, and thanks for showing your love and support every day. And as always, I will send out good videos to you, and as always, from my kitchen to your kitchen, enjoy. See you in my next video. Bye.